My channel. So for this week's video, it's going to kind of be just a super simple, easy project that I've been working on. If you don't know already, I bought two Rast dressers, and they're already done behind me, from Ikea. They were just the plain wood. So the original intention was to paint them white, and I ended up kind of veering throughout the project, and you'll see that later. But the thing that really has ruined my life about this project is drawer knobs. Drawer pulls, drawer hardware. I don't know why. It has just been kryptonite to me. I cannot figure out what looks good, what I want. It's been a constant struggle. So without further ado, let me share with you the progression of this saga. Painting two coats on all of the surfaces, I realized that I kind of liked it more where you could see the wood grain underneath the paint. In hindsight, I probably should have just done a whitewash on them and I would have liked it. But after two coats, you could kind of see it, but you couldn't really see it. So what I ended up doing was just taking a worn out sandpaper and just kind of sanding off some of the paint just to bring out the wood grain more. It's like a beachy, cottagey vibe. So that's what I was going for here. Peeling off the paint that I accidentally got on the railings. It just came off super easy, so you don't have to worry about painting on that. I also should mention that after I sanded all of the paint down just to reveal the wood grain a little bit more, I did seal it with a coat of polyacrylic all over the Rast dressers, on the drawers and on the body of it. Again, I don't show doing this because it looks like I'm painting air, but I did do that. So the next step in all of this is the tragic / indecisive part of it all. I am just incredibly indecisive, and on some specific points, I just have this inability to choose what I like more. I don't know if anybody else struggles with this, but knob hardware is like my weakness. I can't decide what I like better. They all look the same, but then when you put them on, it doesn't look the same. So I'm struggling, and I thought I might reach out to you all and have you help me decide on what hardware looks better. So the first bit of hardware that I got from Hobby Lobby. They're kind of this like wood-esque material. It's not really wood. And then the other one is a complete 180. It's like more modern and crystal, and you know, I'm obsessed with crystal and sparkles, so yeah, weakness. I could not decide which I liked better just looking at it, so what I ended up doing is I put the Hobby Lobby knobs on one Rast dresser and the modern sparkly ones from Home Goods on the other one. So you would think that, you know, I have two choices, you just gotta choose between two choices, and that's simple and easy, and no, I have to overcomplicate everything. On the crystal knobs, I didn't really like the fact that, you know, when you looked dead on at it, it looked kind of like just a dark area and it wasn't very sparkly. So originally when I picked up the knobs from Home Goods, they had a plethora of knobs and smaller versions and sparkly versions and just a ton of different ones. My plan, which I went out today to do, was to go to Home Goods and try to just exchange the ones just for the smaller ones or the more sparkly ones, or just see what else they had, just to make it look a little bit nicer. As is the saga with Home Goods, if you do not buy everything that you like when you're there, it's gone. Just poof into the ether forever. So in true Breaha fashion, I went to two different Home Goods. I went to a Marshall and a TJ Maxx, and I couldn't find anything. I mean, I did find something. I found 8 knobs of one that I actually like. This is the knobs that I ended up picking up. They're not really much different than the ones that I got already. When you look down the barrel of these, they have like a silver backing where it's attached to the back part, so it kind of reflects more light than the other ones did. They end up looking more shiny, more sparkly. The last update that I'm gonna do. This is current day. I found these knobs at Home Goods when I was looking for more of these, and I think they're the winner. This is what they look like up close. I'm not a super fan of this part. I like the rope, I just wish it was smooth there, but honestly you don't really see all of the detail when you're, you know, an average distance away. It's these knobs. They come in a pack of 6 and they're only $8, which is way cheaper than either of these. Those were more expensive by a lot than these. So here's my conundrum, guys. I don't know which would be better. Obviously, I don't have enough of these knobs to finish the dressers, so I'm gonna be just looking for these knobs anytime I go to Home Goods, TJ Maxx, or Marshalls, and seeing if I can find just one more packet of these, because they come in packs of 4. I got 2 packs, I need 1 more pack. Just 1. I think it's going to be a little bit difficult to get them. If you have seen my "This Pillow is Ruining My Life" video, you'll know what I'm talking about. You just can't find duplicates of things. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys can help me with this. I'll see if I can put a poll on the video or in the description. I'm not sure how the polls work, so I'll put a poll somewhere here. Yeah, I feel like I've blabbed on forever. I hope you guys all have amazing weeks, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, bye guys!